Hello, my name is Caitlin Moody, and I will be discussing Mystery Shopping Best Buy in Billings. My partner, Brandy Goodman, has already gone over the introduction, business overview, measures, and she's talked about the data that she collected. So I will begin with the data that I collected. I did 2 mystery shops. During my first mystery shop, I was greeted right as I walked in the door, and the same person thanked me for coming in as I left. Because I didn't purchase anything, there was no opportunity for the rewards program to be offered. I went to 2 departments. I started in the laptops and computers, and a sales associate came to me in about 3 minutes. He was very professional and asked a lot of open-ended questions. He asked what I use my laptop for, what I go to school for, and why I was looking for an upgrade. The focus was always on me and my needs, and it made me feel very valued. At the end of the interaction, he asked if there was anything else I needed help with, and I told him I wanted to look at microwaves. So he personally walked me over to the appliances department and helped me find an associate. That associate was also very helpful. He asked more closed-ended questions, but still was very good at figuring out what my needs were and how to best meet them. During my second mystery shop, again, I was greeted at the front door and told to have a good evening as I was leaving. The rewards program was offered at checkout. I went to 2 departments. I started in home theater, and it took over 10 minutes for someone to approach me. He was busy with another customer. When he did finally get to me, he was very helpful, again asked open-ended questions, why I was looking for a new TV, and had me tell him about the features that I was looking for. Again, the focus was on me as the customer, and I never felt pressured. After talking to him, I went over to the phone accessories department and looked at screen protectors. Someone came up to me in about a minute. Again, most questions were close-ended, but again, he was very helpful, and I was impressed with the overall customer service. So for the data analysis, based upon the collected data, Best Buy has effective customer service practices implemented throughout its overall business. Having a greeter at the front door specifically to welcome and thank customers is a great example of how Best Buy shows they care about customer service. The greeter makes the customer feel welcome and offers them an accessible outlet for any questions they might have. Associates usually offered assistance promptly, but one took longer than 10 minutes, which took away from the shopping experience. Out of each of the departments mystery shopped, all had sales associates who were knowledgeable and actively listened to both Brandy and I to help us find the desired products. Moreover, when the associates did not know an answer to a question, they made an effort to find it. Sales associates asked open-ended questions when assisting with each sale interaction, and on several occasions even offered product recommendations and advice. The advice was honest and ethical, focusing on the customer's best interests instead of on making a sale, and they never pressured the customer. In addition, when purchasing a cell phone screen protector, the associate offered to apply it and took the time to make sure the screen was clean and the protector was centered and adhered correctly. His willingness to help and attention to detail exemplified his excellent customer service. Furthermore, the Best Buy Rewards program was offered at every transaction, which helps the company create loyal customers. So now the recommendations. Because Best Buy provided each of our mystery shop experiences with excellent customer service, there are very few changes that the company needs to make to its customer service practices. One recommendation, however, would be for Best Buy to staff the back departments of the store just as heavily as the front departments of the store. Due to the cellular phone kiosks and Geek Squad information desk being at the front of the store, customers in these departments are greeted and helped slightly faster than when at the back of the store. Again, the reason the associate took so long to offer assistance in the home theater department was because he was helping another customer. The issue would have been avoided if another associate was on staff. In addition, the associate should have greeted me, apologized for the wait, and then called for an available associate before returning the customer he was in the process of assisting. In conclusion, Best Buy places a large emphasis on having knowledgeable associates who offer excellent customer service. The greeter is a wonderful addition because he or she makes customers feel welcome, and the sales associates are well trained and knowledgeable about the products and various features. The associates' confidence, expertise, and candor made both Brandy and I feel comfortable and valued as customers. Because Best Buy pays secret shoppers to assess their staff, it is apparent that the associates treat each interaction with the utmost care and attention, as if each customer is critiquing them. Ultimately, both Brandy and I were impressed with the consistency and quality of Best Buy's service. And then here is just proof of the permission that we got. We talked to Brock Perini, one of Best Buy's supervisors, and he gave permission for us to do mystery shops in the store. He said that they have secret shoppers come in regularly, so he was familiar with the concept, and he assured us that the associates would not suspect that we were mystery shopping. And finally, here are our references, which were mostly used in the introduction and business overview sections. Thank you so much for listening.